Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and I've got hair all in my lip gloss. Oh, that is not the one. I think I'm alright. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is what I got for my birthday haul, just showing you all my goodies basically. Not those goodies though, the goodies in the bag. And look, it says Queen for the day. I've condensed it all into one bag, by the way, so I didn't have loads of bags everywhere. So I thought I'd show you what I got for my birthday. I am wearing a few things that I bought for my birthday, but I'm not wearing the main things. I feel like I feel like my bright lighting's like really bright. Like, if it is really bright, let me know, because to me it looks really bright in the viewfinder. But then when I go to edit, it was like perfect, and I've like messed with it. I don't know. Anyway, jumping in to what I got for my birthday. I do want to do a disclaimer. This is no way a brag or a look at me, I spent so much money. I just want to show what I've got, because a lot of it is makeup obviously, and if there's anything in particular you want to see me use, I will use it, but I am going to be using most of it anyway, which you'll see when I get into it. So let me just get it all out, because I'm going to do it in brand order. Let me just tip it all up. Yeah. So let me just organise it a sec. Oh, there we are. Right, so I'm going to get the non-makeup bits out of the way. These are charms from Thomas Sabo. Every birthday, Christmas, I always get a charm from Thomas Sabo. It's like my thing. And if this goddamn hair in my lip gloss. Right, so this is my charm bracelet. As you can see, I have a lot of charms. I also get it every time I lose weight, which is ironic really, because then I put it on, so I really I should give my mum the charms back. But yeah, this is my charm bracelet, so I've got a lot of charms on it, so I always add to it. I love my Thomas Sabo charm bracelet. So so this birthday, I got this really cute little dog. Let me see if it'll like zoom in for you. I don't think it's going to focus on it, is it? Come on, camera. Ah. Anyway, it's a little dog, and it's like sticking its tongue out, and it's got one ear up and one ear down. I just thought it was really cute, and I love doggies. And then I also got a tiara charm. So I had to get that because I'm a princess, obviously. Goes without saying. And today's the day for me to be the birthday princess. So yeah, I got those two. So they're the non-makeup related things. Right, then I ordered these online myself, but I got them with like birthday money. You've probably, if you've watched any of my Made Up in May, sorry my eyelash feels like it's pinging off. It isn't, but it feels it. If you've ever watched any of my Made Up in May videos and you saw me use the Wispy Winks glitter gel liners, you'll know that I love them. I'm like obsessed. I cannot go back to the normal ones now. So I only had 5 of the shades. I had like a turquoise shade, a holographic shade, a white with like a reflect, and let me just turn my phone on silent. Sorry, I've got lost my train of thought. Gold. What was the other colour? Gold, holographic, white, teal, oh, and lavender, which is like a pale purple with a green reflect to it. So I had to buy the rest of them. I think I've got all the colours now. So they did come in packaging, but I've took it all out. So I've got fuchsia pink, I've got like a pale pink, I've got a purple. Although I see that more as a purple pink. I've got red, I've got black, I've got, it's like a slate I'd say, orange, blue, green, and a baby blue. So I've got them all. I cannot wait to use them, so you will be seeing them in my channel. I had to have them, I had to, I'm sorry. Another thing that I ordered online, this technically wasn't really a birthday present, but I'm going to put it in here anyway because I got it yesterday, so it's like going in my haul. But I ordered some of the, I don't know how you, is it Corsix? I don't know how you say it. It's a Korean brand, and basically Lima from Fashion Aside, she recommended this to get rid of to get rid of texture in your skin, and I've got texture in like the high point. I've got texture everywhere, to be honest. So I figured if she recommended it, I'm definitely going to try it because her skin looks amazing, and she's my age as well, so I know that obviously it's good for my skin. Well, our age group anyway. So it's the Whitehead Power Liquid. So it's like a glycolic acid. It's got it in it, and it's just very good for exfoliating the skin. And I got it as like a set. This is a low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser by the same brand, so I'm hoping that's good as well. Lima didn't talk about that, she only talked about the Whitehead stuff, but I'm assuming that it'll be alright as well. Oh, and another thing as well, I got my hair did. Yeah, I got my hair dyed yesterday. That was part of my birthday present, which, oh, I just love it so much. It needed a good trim and a good colour, so it's got like a red tint to it now. I love it. I'm sorry if my lighting's really bright. Right, so on to makeup. I got some stuff from Kiko. Now, the stuff from Kiko I just picked because yesterday I went to the Trafford Centre so we could go, oh. You know when your eyelash just like wants to poke you in the face and you're like, what are you doing? Anyway, so yesterday we went to the Trafford Centre so I could buy some of my makeup bits because I knew that's what I wanted anyway, but my mum said we might as well go and make a day trip of it at the Trafford Centre so I know I'm definitely getting the right things for you, so I agreed. So I was passing Kiko and I noticed they had this sign on with really funky colours, like, you know, like the brand packaging. So I thought, well, I'll have a look, and it was all on sale. So I treated myself to some stuff. I got the Hydra Pro Glow Moisturiser. This has got an SPF of 10 in it, which I thought is, you know, it's good that it's got it in it. I love the packaging. The packaging's cute. Packaging is cute. It's a really, really thin liquid as well, so you don't need a lot of it. It goes a long way. I can't say that I noticed that it made my skin like uber glowy, but it was very nice on the skin. It did have a slight tack to it as well. And then also got, I got a few bits from the Metal Fusion range, or Metal, I don't know, they came from it, but this is a Metal Fusion highlighting drops. Wait till you see how tiny this is. Like, how cute. So I got in, I think, what was mine? #1 Platinum Rose. I went for the rose, the pinky one. They had a gold and a bronze. I prefer pinky colours, so I'm really excited to try that. I didn't use it today, even though I did use the Pro Glow. I didn't use this. I then also got a Magnetic Impact eyeshadow in #2. They had quite a few shades. They had one shade which was like, it was gold, but it was like a yellow gold, like proper, like intense. I really should have got it. It was beautiful, and they had a green that was stunning as well, but I stopped myself from buying too much. So this is like a champagne colour. I don't know if my lighting's going to show you the colour properly. I don't think it's going to show you. Anyway, it's like a champagne gold, and it is just the most stunning shade. I mean, look at that. And it's what I've got all over my eyes today. I've literally just done a smoky wing and then put this everywhere because I really, really wanted to use it. And I think it got reduced to like £4, so really, really like that. I then also got, I think it's from the same like brand, this is Metal Fusion, and it's a blush in this shade 1. Again, this has got like a shimmery kind of finish to it. I am wearing it on my cheeks today. I feel very glowy today. I don't know if it looks in camera. But again, this is like a stunning, stunning colour. Oh, let's see if I can, I forgot to wipe my concealer off. Like, my lighting is so bad. But it's like a really, really stunning colour, and like I say, it has that sort of shimmer satin shift to it. I mean, and the packaging as well, like rose gold. Oh, it's just stunning. And it blended in really, really nicely. I really like it. I then also got this is from another collection, the Beyond Limits collection. This is the Maxi Bronzer. Now, I bought it in #2 Active Sienna, and when you look at it in the pan, it doesn't look warm. When I swatched it, it did kind of go warm on my face. But I sort of blended it in and made it work. But if you do want to try it yourself, I would probably go and swatch it. I think I got away with it. I think it blends in nicely. But yeah, it did seem when I first put it on a bit warm. But it's massive. And then I also got, I'm wearing it today, one of their lip glosses. This is the 3D Hydra Gloss in number 5. And it's this beautiful baby pink with some shimmer action into it. It's got a really, really massive wand, and it's like curved, but I like it. And I sort of did like an ombre lip with a Primark lip liner today. It's really nice. And to be completely extra, I got these. They're actually for nails, and it's a kissing, like lip, like, what do you call them? God, what do you call them? Oh, I can't remember what they're called. Sequins, I think sequins. Anyway, I got lip ones and I got smiley face ones because I'm doing my friend's festival makeup on Sunday for Park Life, and I figured she might want some smiley faces on them. And if not, I can always use them in something else anyway. Right, so the next thing that I got is Boots in the Trafford Centre has now got a Fenty Beauty counter, and I had points to spend on my Boots card. So I treated myself to a load. I didn't get the foundation because I wanted to try it first, because I've been burnt in the past where I've bought foundations, either hated them or got the wrong shade, so now I always get a sample. So I did get a sample of the foundation, which I am going to do a video dedicated to all my Fenty stuff, so we can give it a good testing. I got some of the Soft Matte Pro Filter primer. I don't even use primers anymore, but I really, really wanted it, and I've heard good things about it, so I'm gonna see if I like it, because I'm going to start using all my products anyway. Then I got the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. I got the shade 130, so I'm hoping that's good for me. I'm hoping it's good enough to cover my bags as well. So yeah, I got that. I then got, I'm not going to show you like the concealer because you know what a concealer looks like. But I got one of the bronzers. Is this the bronzer? Oh no, I got one of the highlighting duos. This is, I don't know if it's called Kilowatt, and each individual one is called Fire Crystal and Lightning Dust, but I basically got this one, which I think is more to my tone, and like honestly they swatched beautifully on the back of my hand, and they didn't seem to like OTT as well, because don't get me wrong, I like a glow but I don't want to be glittery. I then got one of the bronzers. Now as you saw by the Kiko one, I'm really bad at picking bronzers, so I got In the Sun, which I think is the palest one for the pale people. Someone has swatched my bronzer. Someone has swatched my bronzer. Oh, I'm well annoyed at that. I'll have to take it back. If they won't take it back, I'll have to IPA it. But yeah, anyway, I got the lightest one, and it's called In the Sun. So hopefully that's a nice one. I then got one of the new Popsicle Juicy Satin lipsticks, and I got the shade Alpha Doll. This looks like a really stunning colour. I wanted like the whole set, but like I knew I wouldn't use half the colours. I just wanted them just because they were pretty packaging. I'm gonna have to rip the box because it's just not opening. And look how cute. So it's like a beautiful purpley pink shade. Oh, absolutely stunning. So that's the stuff that I got from Fenty. Really disappointed about the bronzer. I'm going to ring them up and actually ask if I can swap it. And I've just left this drawer open up that whole time. That's really going to irritate me. Anyway, I then got some stuff from Anastasia Beverly Hills. For those that don't know, Trafford Centre Selfridges have a ABH counter, so I treated myself. I got the Alyssa Edwards palette. I wasn't going to get it, but like honestly, because I'm not a big drag fan. I don't like, not like drag queens, I mean, but I'm not like I don't like religiously watch RuPaul, and I don't actually know who Alyssa Edwards is, as embarrassing as that is to say, but the colours, like, so the packaging alone, I love the fact that it's not velvet. Like, don't get me wrong, it's a cute touch to have a velvet packaging, but they're so messy. So anyway, I love the fact that it is just a cardboard packaging, and it does feel really sturdy, but the colours, like, oh, look at those, it's like me in a palette. I'll be honest with you, it was this blue shade that really drew me in. Everyone says the yellow or the pink, but it's this blue, and even the purple, to be honest. So I'm really, really happy with this palette. I think you've got like some neutrals, you've got a brown and a black, you've got white and like light browns, you've also got a gold, so you can have like daytime appropriate looks if you don't want to go TT, but then you have got your pops of colours to make magic. So I'm really excited to use that. So if there's anything in particular you'd like to see me do with the palette, let me know, or if you just want to see me just like put pink all over my eyes, then stay tuned for that. I also got a mini eye primer. It's quite expensive. So this, I got the mini one, which is £15. I mean, I know it was a present, but just for general, like, for people to know. So the mini one is, how much are you? 7ml, and that's £15. Now I was thinking, oh, I'll get this, because someone says it's quite dry, so you've got to use it fast. But then I'm like, my Shape Tape is quite dry, I could just use that. So my Shape Tape is 10ml, and this cost me £19, but I think it's like 23 without the discount I had on. So I'm not sure how much you get in the bigger one. So it probably is a little cheaper than my Shape Tape, but still it swings and roundabouts. I don't know. I'll have to see if it's any good anyway. I just wanted to try it basically. I'm always on the hunt for a good eye base. And then finally I fell for the mini set. Well, it's a mini dip brow gel and a brow wiz. Now I'm glad they put a brow wiz in this, because I don't like the slanted ones. I don't know what you call they call that one, but I don't like the slanted ones in the other ones that I've tried. I do like the thin one, and I really wanted to try the brow gel, so I got this because it was in a set at the till. So that is everything that I got like as physical presents. I've still got to go see my brothers, so I don't know if they've got me like any gift cards or anything. So if I do get anything off them, I will like let you know down below. Not that you really need to see it anyway. And I also got stuff that's not really interesting to a video. Like I got a box of chocolates, which my brothers ate most of them of. I got a bunch of flowers off my dogs. My dogs are like the most clever dogs in the world. You know, they go to the flower shop, they order me flowers, sign it and everything from the dogs. Yeah, so I got flowers delivered, and I went to the spa with my mum last week, which was ever so good, especially after my Made Up in May series. I really needed it. Yeah, it's just been a really good birthday. It's been quiet, but I think that's nice actually. I used to like want to do everything on my birthday, but today I've had like a really chilled day. We're going for something to eat later, but it's been really nice, and I got to play with my makeup, I got to do my face. Yeah, I'm just enjoying myself. So if you have enjoyed this video, do give me a big thumbs up. Let me know down below what you're most excited about, what you want me to see do a video on. With the Fenty stuff, do you want me to do a full face just of Fenty? Because obviously I don't have the setting powder and I don't have an eyeshadow palette, so I could just use the bronzer in the crease with a bit of the highlight as a like shimmer on the lid, or I can just do another look with a totally different palette and just do the face stuff. So just let me know what you want to do. Let me know about the Alyssa palette if you want to see a dedicated video with that. Well, I'll probably do it anyway, you know. But yeah, anyway, I'm waffling now. Thank you ever so much for watching. Do give me a big thumbs up, hit subscribe and the notification bell. That's not even a bell, is it? You know what I mean. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!